Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. And surprise, surprise, I have another box that I'm going to open with you guys. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. I know, I've been unboxing quite a few things, but yeah, I can't help it. I mean, there are only a few items on my luxury wish list. I wouldn't really, well, I guess you could consider this luxury, so just bear with me because whenever something comes up and I like it and I have some money and I buy it. So yeah, I got this. I got it. Now this is not brand new. It's also not a piece that you can buy in the stores. And what else can I say? So I got it from the preload market. Ooh, okay, so there are, looks like a couple pieces to this item. Okay. So it came like this. You can see, let me see. Okay, so that I think is a top. Any guesses so far? Okay, so here are the two items. You can see it's sort of squarish in shape. Now I gave you the clues that you can't purchase it in the stores. And what else can I say? I guess you wouldn't really consider it luxury, but you can. But let me just go ahead and open it. Okay, here we go. Nicely wrapped. So here is one piece. This is actually a little smaller than I thought it would be, but it is used, but it's still in really great condition. So here is the bottom piece, and if you guys have never seen this piece, so it is, here is the back. If you guys can see the marking. It says Riviere, made in Italy. Let me open the second piece here, and this is really heavy. Okay, so, oh wow, geez, this thing. So here is, so this is the top of this piece. Let me show you. So it is a little box, and it has a big camellia flower on top of it, and that should be a dead giveaway of what or where this came from. This was a Chanel VIP gift that they sent out, I believe, this past Christmas. And I was not fortunate enough to receive one. So I have a ton of Chanel essays, and if you guys have purchased Chanel, you know that, you know, Nordstrom has boutiques, Neiman Marcus has boutiques, Bloomingdale's has boutiques, Saks has boutiques. There are also, you know, Hirschleifers. There's also all these other independent stores that have Chanel, and they don't all get the same items. Unlike Louis Vuitton, if you're looking for an item, an SA could just look it up and, you know, either have it ordered for you, or, you know, from the warehouse, or get it shipped from a different store. Unfortunately, Chanel, they have different buyers, and so, you know, each store has different things. And so depending on the item that I want, I just, you know, send out a slew of text messages, and yeah, that's how I find my items. And so I don't really purchase from, you know, just a single SA, so I've never gotten a VIP gift. But yeah, isn't that cute? So when you're not able to get one yourself, you have to rely on the pre-loved market. So let me show you guys what I plan to use this for. So I have a couple items in these boxes. I think Sam, aka Snape HBP, she got one, but hers was black, and I don't know if it came with a lid. But so these are brooches, and what I intend to use this for is a brooch case. And I'm not unique in thinking about this, because few other people I have seen already use this piece for this particular purpose. Alright, so let me just take out these brooches, because it is annoying to have to keep on putting your brooch in and out of its, you know, of its dust bag. But if this was just on my desk or on my you know, dresser, it'd be a whole lot easier, and I'd wear it more often. Okay, so I currently only have 2 brooches, and ooh, it's really hard to show you guys because this just falls. But yeah, so this is basically what I plan to use this for. I think the person who had this previously used this for makeup, because there are some marks on here. But look, this thing is so thick. I can't believe it. I didn't think it was, you know, this thick, and it's really heavy too. And this is such a cute camellia flower. Look. There you go. And yeah, so I'll probably put this on my dresser or inside the cabinet that I, you know, have my Chanel goodies in, and yeah, I'll use it for a brooch keeper. And yeah, so that is this item. And leave down below what other stuff have you guys gotten, if you guys have ever gotten a, you know, a VIP gift from Chanel. Because I never have gotten one. I've seen that they had, or they do have, you know, snow globes from time to time. I've seen, what else have I seen? I've seen the O case, you know, the really big ones. I've seen VIP, I've seen people get VIP gifts of those, and that's an amazing gift. I've seen, and I don't think they're really considered like VIPs, because in the fragrances and the colognes, I guess they also have these little totes, like mesh totes and canvas totes that they give to people, but I don't know if you have to be a VIP to receive them, because I've seen a lot of people have those, and the quality just does not seem all that. But then this is amazing. I mean, I think this is leather, and let me see. And I think the quilted base on here, I think that's leather also. You guys can see. And it's cool that this is made in Italy also. So that goes to show you the quality of this item. I think the other VIP gifts, you know, the tote bags and whatnot, those are all made in China. But yeah, I'm really excited to have this piece. I'll try to take some pictures later and, you know, post it on Instagram probably. So yeah, follow me on there. And yeah, I guess that's all I really wanted to say for this video. Thanks again for watching and tuning in. I know I have been doing a lot of unboxings lately, but I'm not going to promise I'm going to slow down, but yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, till next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.